HTC Nexus 9 Take-Apart Repair Guide. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, fine tip curved tweezers, Isesimo opening tool, professional T5 Torx screwdriver, professional Phillips screwdriver, power down your HTC Nexus 9 tablet. Use the plastic triangle opening tool or your fingernails to work around the rear cover and release the plastic clip securing it in place. Use the spudger to pry up and remove the metal cover that protects the battery connector. Disconnect the HTC Nexus 9 battery from the motherboard. The 3.8-volt, 6700 mAh battery is held in place with some heavy-duty adhesive. Carefully and patiently pry it up and remove it from the HTC tablet. Remove the 1.6 megapixel Nexus 9 front-facing camera. Use the fine tip curved tweezers to disconnect one end of the signal cable. With the signal cable out of the way, use a spudger to assist in removing the copper shielding. Peel up the two small pieces of tape over the antenna board near the top of the Nexus 9. Remove the following 3 T5 Torx screws, securing the antenna board in place. Use the spudger to pry up and remove the antenna board and signal cable. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws. Three T5 Torx screws, an additional 3 Phillips screws securing the motherboard in place. Disconnect the interconnect cable. Remove the 2 Phillips screws. and then disconnect the LCD cable from the motherboard. With a little help from the spudger, the motherboard can now be removed. Release the ZIF connector and remove the 8-megapixel HTC Nexus 9 rear-facing camera from the motherboard. Use the spudger to release the ZIF connector and remove the power and volume button ribbon cable. Peel up the Captain tape. And release the two ZIF connectors. Remove the following 3 T5 Torx screws, securing the micro USB port board in place. With the tape out of the way, use a spudger to pry up and remove the micro USB board from the Nexus 9. Be mindful of the 2 ribbon cables. Peel up the Captain tape and release the ZIF connector. Disconnect the vibrator from the Nexus 9 daughter board. Remove the following 2 T5 Torx screws, securing the daughter board in place. Use the spudger and fine-tip tweezers to assist in removing the daughter board. Be mindful of the ribbon cable. Remove the vibrator from the HTC Nexus 9 frame. Remove the 2 front-facing stereo speakers. Use the fine-tip curved tweezers to carefully peel up the Captain tape and remove the interconnect cable. With the fine-tip curved tweezers, peel up the tape and then detach the LCD cable. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.